लोगों का ना एक रिएक्शन होता है, the way they look at you. And one beautiful change that I'm noticing is like literally there are older men, CEOs, men,
powerful men,
जो अपने powerful men, जो अपनी आवाज में आते हैं, कहते हैं कि आयुष श्वेता त्रिपाठी and you know हमने मिर्जापुर देखा और आपने गुड्डू को बचाया है. So I was like, wow, yeah, कि हमारी मतलब मेरी उनकी आंखों में रिस्पेक्ट और बढ़ गई है बिकॉज गोलू ने गुड्डू को बचाया है. सो दैट फील्स ये सारे प्रेशर थोड़ा लेने वाले होते हैं. प्रेशर अगर लोगों को लेना चाहिए वो होना चाहिए दुनिया बचाने का, वो होना चाहिए क्लाइमेट चेंज का. दोज आर द काइंड ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड प्रेशर्स वी शुड बी टेकिंग. वी आर टू डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. इवन आई एम ऑल्सो गिल्टी ऑफ दैट, ऑफ बीइंग distracted by things that are not important, that are not necessary. It's important to ask the right questions. It's important to raise your hand. It's important to take a stand. If not now, then when? It's like fairness cream, I would never do. Even when my name was not so popular. या जब इतने सारे projects नहीं किए थे, जब पैसे की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी, क्योंकि आते नहीं थे, तब भी ये नहीं करना था. फेयरनेस क्रीम नहीं करनी थी. तो कुछ चीज़ें एक हैं जैसे फास्ट फूड. नहीं, क्योंकि मैं खुद ही नहीं खाती हूँ फास्ट फूड, तो मैं ऐसे कैसे बेचूं?
ये काली काली आंखों के जो चर्चे हैं वो सिर्फ मिर्जापुर की गलियों तक सीमित नहीं है, और इनसे जब बात करते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि घंटों बात चलनी रही है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं ये लाजमी था इनसे मिलना, इनसे बात करना. एब्सोल्युटली मेड इन हेवन. एंड ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन यू आर सराउंडेड बाय हर एनर्जी यू फील वाह क्या मस्त है लाइफ. अब इतनी सारे हिंट्स के बाद भी आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है मैं किन की बात कर रहा हूँ, तो कोई वो हरामखोरी होगा जिसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, वो थोड़ी सी उंगली कर रहा है. मेरे साथ है द वन एंड ओनली. ड्रॉप कर दो अभी.
What a lovely introduction. ये आपने खुद लिखा?
मैंने अभी थोड़ा इजाद किया, अभी थोड़ा.
क्या बात है. Very nice, very nice. I really like कि how all the projects were linked with the correct emotion.
Absolutely. मतलब ये ना ये थंबनेल है हमारा, जिस पर आप रिवील है ऑलरेडी, पर थोड़ी नौटंकी चलती है ना.
Of course, why not?
Given the profession, Avin. And of course, this is the mood of festivities and colors and everything beautiful.
And happiness.
Happy always, yeah. Good to see you. You are on a roll, Shweta.
Yes.
And this year has been superb, terrific. And you are telling me off camera, the next year the calendar is already packed, chock-a-block, with some interesting and exciting projects packed in. First of all, welcome to the FPJ.
Thank you so much.
May I ask, how have you been?
I've been very good.
My past interview just 15 दिन पहले हुआ था.
Correct. 15 दिन पहले?
15-20 दिन में हम मिलते ही रहते हैं, किधर ना किधर, रेड कार्पेट ये वो.
Correct.
क्योंकि आपके इतने सारे सीरीज, प्रोजेक्ट्स, मूवीज आ रहे हैं. छोटा.
Yes.
And of course, 2025 is going to be another rocking year for you. More exciting than the previous one. But as this, we draw close on this one. What are your thoughts? Is it all gratitude? Is it all satisfying? Or do you think there are certain things which could have been done better, or life is all best? What is it?
I think things can always be done better, and that's all right. But we should not have that pressure कि अरे यार ये ना इतने से चूक गया. It's all right, because I think we do not celebrate struggles enough. We do not celebrate failures enough, because that is when the real learning happens. When you're waiting, and then when you're working on your skill set, or where you want to be, or who you want to be, those things are very, very, very important. And especially as an actor, the waiting game sometimes it's very frustrating. I have days where I have multiple days where I have felt not so nice, not so happy, cried, tried to figure out कि मुझे वैसा काम क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है जो मुझे करना है, because I am here for the joy of storytelling. So that to me is key. That to me is that is what is driving me, because I think that intent is very important. Then of course when there are releases like Mirzapur and Ye Kali Kali Aankhein, and especially when you get love from critics and the audience as well, वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, because literally you can, this time I felt an energy change. Like हर बार जब आप एयरपोर्ट जाते हो या जब आप कॉफी लेने जा रहे हो, लोगों का ना एक रिएक्शन होता है, the way they look at you. And one beautiful change that I'm noticing is like literally there are older men,
older men.
CEOs, men,
Powerful men.
जो अपने powerful men, जो अपने आवाज में आते हैं, कहते हैं कि आयुष श्वेता त्रिपाठी and you know हमने मिर्जापुर देखा और आपने गुड्डू को बचाया है.
Oh,
so I was
wow.
like,
With
wow,
an accent, wow,
yeah,
exactly.
कि हमारी मतलब मेरी उनकी आंखों में रिस्पेक्ट और बढ़ गई है बिकॉज
Correct.
गोलू ने गुड्डू को बचाया है. सो दैट फील्स गुड बिकॉज देन दैट मींस एवरीबॉडी इज पेइंग अटेंशन टू द इमोशनल बीट्स दैट आर हैपनिंग आल्सो वेयर द कैरेक्टर्स आर गोइंग एंड द जर्नी एंड देयर आर women like fully dolled up with stockings and with makeup and with accessories, and when they come up to me and they say कि हमें गजगामनी बहुत पसंद है, I was like wow, I would have never guessed that you will say that because
जी.
you know we are too quick to judge people, especially because of the way they look or how they dress up. So it makes me very happy that across the board, and no matter what language you speak, people like Golu Didi. Yeah, that makes me happy.
They do, right? They really do. लेकिन ये एयरपोर्ट का कुछ अलग मसला नहीं लगता आपको? आजकल ये प्रेशर अलग है. Of course, pressure is there when you have to portray a character. You got to bag a solid project and sustain it, and the next one has to be better. But being there on the airport, you have to be decked up, airport ready, that look and parade. Is that pressure or do you enjoy it?
जाती हूँ. I go with wet hair. I do not care about these are the pressures that the world is trying to tell you. But it's totally up to you to whether to take that pressure or not.
Correct.
I repeat my clothes happily. I speak my mind. I make mistakes. I'm a human.
Correct.
So ये सारे प्रेशर थोड़ा लेने वाले होते हैं. प्रेशर अगर लोगों को लेना चाहिए वो होना चाहिए दुनिया बचाने का. वो होना चाहिए climate change का. Those are the kind of responsibilities and pressures we should be taking. We are too distracted. Even I am also guilty of that, of being distracted by things that are not important, that are not necessary. It's important to ask the right questions. It's important to raise your hand. It's important to take a stand. If not now, then when?
Exactly. Shweta, then how do you do that in whatever capacity you can? Are there any causes that you want to champion?
100%. I think Mother Nature gives us a lot, right? From wood, everything from the oils that we use to the food that we eat. हम जिन घरों में रहते हैं हमारे मतलब छोटी से छोटी चीज़ आप कहीं भी देख लोगे it's all that we've got from her. But I don't think we respect her enough. I think that's very important that nobody else is coming to save the world. We have to take charge because we are citizens of this entire world and we are in this together.
Correct.
So we cannot be selfish. It's important. Self-love is very important, but even love for each other as a community, that is very important. And सबको वो लगता है ना कि अरे यार मेरी बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है मुझे मत पकाओ यार this is not my priority. But it will be too late. Then suddenly we will realize कि ओ यार काश हमने ये सुन लिया होता या कर दिया होता. Even simple things like not wasting water. हम रेस्टोरेंट्स भी जाते हैं कहीं भी बाहर खाने जाते हैं चाहे ढाबे में जाएं हम ग्लास भर के पानी ले लेते हैं हमें नहीं भी पीना होता है क्यों क्योंकि वो फ्री का है या फिर बहुत ही नॉमिनल अमाउंट का है. सो इवन इफ इट इज दैट प्लीज डू नॉट टेक थिंग्स फॉर ग्रांटेड. जितना पानी पीना है उतना पियो क्योंकि वो फेंका जाएगा. इवन खाना फूड वेस्टेज और जस्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इफ यू आर नॉट यूजिंग इट पंखा मत चलने दो. एंड इट इज नॉट अबाउट कि बिल का आपका फायदा ही फायदा एक्चुअली बिल भी कम ही आएगा. सो वेस्टेज इज एक्चुअली अ वेरी पॉकेट फ्रेंडली थिंग. सो दैट इज समथिंग आई रियली वांट टू अर्ज पीपल टू think about that all these complaints that we have with the government or with institutions or with other people communities आपको जो प्रॉब्लम है आपको जो दिक्कत है आपने आज उस चीज के लिए क्या किया and I'm going to ask myself also this ऐसा नहीं कि मैं खुद बच जाऊंगी because जैसे for example climate change is something that really bothers me but what have I done today? चलो अगर रोज भी नहीं करना what have I done in this week to make the world a better place?
You have always been like this, or being an actor, being a performer, a creative person is a sensitive person. Got to be sensible because the performance has to reflect that sensibility. So you have always been like this, or have you evolved over a period of time?
I think I've always been like this, but now I understand it more. Earlier I didn't realize the importance of it. एक्चुअली बचपन में तो पापा ही सिखाते रह जाते थे कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मत वेस्ट करो एंड बिकॉज हम लोग गांव से आते हैं तो वो बहुत बड़ी बात थी क्योंकि हमारे गांव में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ही नहीं थी. वेयर डैड वाज बोर्न दादी थी जहाँ पे तो पहले तो ऑब्वियसली ऐसा लगता था कि पापा पका रहे हैं. अगर स्कूल बस मिस हो जाती थी ओ माय गॉड और पापा को गाड़ी में ड्रॉप करने जाना होता था तो बहुत लेक्चर पढ़ते थे तो तब समझ नहीं थी. अब समझ है, अब रियलाइज होता है कि पापा तो करेक्ट बात कह रहे थे. Now I have become like पापा.
Correct.
So I think that is like tissue paper also. That is something people just उठा के वो use कर लेता है. And अगर आप देखने जाओ, thankfully my friends who understand and who believe in this, हम आधा टिश्यू यूज करते हैं. आपको पूरे टिश्यू की जरूरत भी नहीं है. So if you are just mindful about these small things, ना, we'll go long way.
Will you try to incorporate all these learnings and unlearnings and enlightenment, so to speak? Sometimes it comes from within, sometimes you evolve over a period of time. So all these learnings, would you try to incorporate in the projects you do?
Definitely off screen and on screen. I would not want to थोपो anything. अगर कोई कुछ चीज उनकी जर्नी में हो जाए, definitely. Off screen, for sure. Like now most of my friends, they carry bottles of water instead of buying plastic का पानी, which anyway is not good for you. क्योंकि most of the जो bottles होते हैं उसमें the plastic quality is not good. And there are so many microplastics that we are already reading, which we are consuming. तो हम अपना बुरा करने के लिए पैसा दे रहे हैं आजकल. तो मैं बस चाहती हूँ कि लोग अपनी आंखें खोलें, अपने मन के दिमाग के द्वार खोलें, जिससे कि नॉलेज और इन्फॉर्मेशन आए. I carry my own water bottle everywhere I go, even on set. I have घर का खाना, and even if I'm having बाहर का, I take my tumbler or my tiffin. जिससे कि जितना देखो, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप सब चीज़ आपको जीना है, ठीक है, और हमें यहाँ अपने सिटीज में, टाउन्स में रहना है, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि यू कैन say no to everything. I'm just saying pick and choose. Let's coexist. I'm not asking you to be a साधु संत कि मैं कुछ नहीं होगा. आपके पास फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर लेदर की चीजें हैं तो ऐसा नहीं कि फेंक दो, या प्लास्टिक की चीजें हैं, प्लीज यूज देम, बट यूज देम एज मच एज यू कैन. डोंट डू इट जस्ट एज अ फैड, और कि फैशन बदल गया या ट्रेंड बदल गया. नहीं, ये सारी चीजें क्रिएट करते हैं जिससे कि आप चीजें खरीदते रहो. एंड अगेन आई एम गिल्टी ऑफ दैट बिकॉज आई सेल अ लॉट ऑफ दैट स्टफ. But I try that no matter what the product might be, it should be a thing that I already use. Now this is not a paid plug-in over here. But for example, I had done a Diwali पे Sleepwell mattress का एक reel बनाया था मैंने. मैं अपने दिल्ली घर में actually Sleepwell mattress पे सोती हूँ. I have done something with Sirona for menstrual cups. I use their menstrual cup. When it comes to pads, whenever I'm using sanitary pads, I use biodegradable ones by Kamasi. तो मेरी कोशिश वही है कि मैं वही products के बारे में बात करूँ that I use.
Correct. Wow, this is really मतलब ट्रांजिशन है ना. लोग कहते कुछ और है, बोलते कुछ और है, और इंडोर्स कुछ करते हैं.
Yes, like fairness cream, I would never do. Even when my name was not so popular, या जब इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं किए थे, जब पैसे की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी, क्योंकि आते नहीं थे, तब भी ये नहीं करना था. फेयरनेस क्रीम नहीं करनी थी. तो कुछ चीज़ें एक हैं, जैसे फास्ट फूड नहीं, क्योंकि मैं खुद ही नहीं खाती हूँ फास्ट फूड, तो मैं ऐसे कैसे बेचूं कि लोगों को खाना चाहिए. वैसे मुझे पैसा नहीं बनाना है. कोशिश यही रहेगी, आई एम श्योर कहीं बार मैं चूकूंगी भी या टेम्प्ट भी हो जाऊंगी, बट एटलीस्ट कोशिश वही है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग इट over here, so that people get to know, so that if I do it, call out. I'm saying
it's
please
on
remind me. It's on record. Please remind me if there are any suggestions also, or if there are any brands also, जैसे vertical garden का या फिर vertical light का. If there's anything that you think that I can collaborate with or associate myself with, so that the voice reaches out to more people, then please.
As long as the stuff remains organic and environment friendly,
organic, कल्चर से रिलेटेड, coexisting, ऐसा कुछ भी जो हो सस्टेनेबल, that is something I am very keen to do.
2024 श्वेता के लिए क्यों खास है? क्या खासियत भरी चीजें यहाँ पर हुई? क्या तब्दीलियाँ हुई? कैसे अपने आप को रेट करती हैं, आंकती हैं अपने परफॉर्मेंसेस को, अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स को, और which were the moments which were absolutely heartening for the performer in you?
It was beautiful because the year started with a holiday with my parents, my brother-in-law, sister, my niece, Olu. Kerala में हम लोग गए थे. So it started with family time, which I think is very important. Correct. And I don't remember the last time we'd taken a holiday like this. So I think ये सारी चीजें करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है. Then Cheetah and I have been traveling. We went to New Zealand this year.
Wow.
We went to Binsar where it was 0 degrees and I had the most difficult bath of my life. It felt like a rebirth. वो नहाने के बाद इतनी ठंड में. We went to Kahana, we went to Kabini, Wildlife Sanctuaries, Mirzapur released, of course, season 3, and
There
that
you
too
go.
on my 5th July was the release and 6th July is my birthday.
Correct.
So that was special, the kind of love that we got from everywhere. Then ye Kali Kali Aankhein, and I swear I had not planned this, nobody had. I landed from New Zealand और तब तक date decide नहीं हुई थी, and in a few hours ये Kali Kali Aankhein releases. So and these are the two most important things to me, travel and work. तो ये जब ऐसे hand in hand हो जाता है ना तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है that you are doing something right.
Yeah.
Because the universe is
Listening
to you. तो वो मेरी हमेशा कोशिश यही रहती है कि मैं ऐसा हमेशा कुछ करती रहूँ, and because I feel I am very lucky and blessed.
Correct.
So that's why I just want to spread that. Because if I have that,
Yeah.
if I am that lucky,
Yeah.
then I want to give that luck to more people as well.
Allow me to draw a parallel here. And the parallel is very concrete and definite. Mirzapur, small town. You play a girl from small town with certain sensibilities and sentiments. Kali Kali Aankhein, again a small town. There had to be the concrete and stark difference between the two characters. Am I correct with my assessment?
Yeah.
So how did you work on it so that this girl was completely different, Shikha,
Shikha.
was completely different from Golu? I mean, how did the demarcation happen in your head? What study went into it? And how did you convey it?
So actually on paper only they are very different.
Yeah.
I don't know if Golu and Shikha can be friends also in an alternate world. So it was not that difficult because the things that are driving these two characters are very different. You know, and Golu has this deep-seated rage in her, which has happened because of the situations and events that she has faced. Shikha ka alag hai. Shikha ka what is driving her, she is very, in fact, Shikha is a Kanya and Golu is a Veera.
Okay.
तो उनके आर्कीटाइप्स बहुत अलग हैं. So उनका बस except for that they both belong to a heartland, there is not much similarity in them. If Golu was put in Shikha's situation and Shikha was put in Golu's situation, तो कहानी ही अलग होती. तो I didn't have to actually do much to differentiate them because वो because I don't want to take credit जहाँ पे नहीं है. मैं क्यों बोलूँ कि अरे पता है मैंने ये किया था, क्योंकि वो करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी थी because the characters, the writing, the worlds were totally different.
बट फिर भी इम्प्रोवाइजेशन तो होता होगा इन टर्म्स ऑफ लहजा, इन टर्म्स ऑफ नुआंसेस.
हाँ.
कि एक की बोली ये है, एक का बात करने का तरीका ये है, शायद these are the words she uses a lot.
तो archetype, I believe a lot in archetypes. There's a wonderful
Please explain to us what is that.
book by Nirupama Subramaniam called Powerful. In that she explains these different archetypes that women have. I think men also have that kahin na kahin. For example, the archetypes are Kanya, Apsara, Ma, Rishika, Veera. Am I missing out on anything? कितने हुए? Ma, Apsara, 6 हुए ना? हाँ 6 हैं. So these are, and Rani. Okay. Rani is also there. So everybody has these powers inside them. Depending on the situation or which power you want to dial up, and if you have the information and knowledge about this, that all these archetypes are within us, depending on the character, I use that.
Correct.
So, and you can be a combination. Like Golu is definitely a Veera. You know, and she Rani is somebody who has great organizational skills. She organizes everything, and by not just physical, like you know, जैसे बाहुबली में जो माँ का था, she is an archetype of माँ and Rani and Veera of course. तो ऐसा नहीं कि आपको सिर्फ एक ही archetype मिलेगा, आप में कई सारे ये शक्ति हो सकती हैं. So depending on the character, I figure out कि इसमें मुझे किस का मिश्रण करना है.
कौन से शक्ति को आप ज्यादा रिलेट करती है, चैनल करती है most of the time?
Me, so there is a test also that is there on the website. So when I took the test, I got what I was hoping for, Veera. And I think that's the similarity between Golu and I.
Veera is warrior? Is it?
Veera is the rebel warrior.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is that who you are?
I would like to be. I would like to believe.
Yeah.
Which is why I think it gives you strength and it also makes you fearless.
Correct.
But all the archetypes have their drawbacks as well. So वो इस book में ये सब कुछ है कि what are pros, what are cons, how can you work on them. I would highly recommend that book to anybody who wants to read it because आप अपनी daily life में, personal life में, professional life में कहीं भी you can use this.
Shweta, right from doing those small commercials which were noticed, then doing web series and films, etc., 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 how do you see the transition from that small character where you have to, small minute I would say, that small act, there you have to capture the essence of the brand, be yourself, at the same time some level of projection also goes in there. So इतने छोटे समय में अपने आप को प्रोजेक्ट करना, अपने आप को पहले भापना और उसके अनुसार ढाल लेना, as opposed to creating an arc in a film for a web series, श्वेता ने क्या तब्दीलियां और क्या चेंजेस देखे हैं एज अ परफॉर्मर खुद में?
मुझे लगता है कि श्वेता बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट है और लकी है बिकॉज ऑफ द पीपल दैट आई हैव कोलैबोरेटेड विद. व्हेन यू कोलैबोरेट विद टॉपर्स ना, तो आपको नोट्स तो टॉपर्स वाले ही मिलते हैं. एंड ऑल द डायरेक्टर्स दैट आई हैव वर्कड विद, आप किसी का भी नाम ले लो, नीरज घेवान, आरती कदव, अभिषेक सेनगुप्ता, गुरमीत सिंह, सिद्धार्थ सेनगुप्ता, ये सब के सब, सुमित सक्सेना, ये सब इतने बढ़िया और इतने हार्ड वर्किंग एंड टैलेंटेड लोग हैं कि मैं बस उनकी कंपनी में आ जाती हूँ तो आधा क्या 80% होमवर्क तो वहीं हो जाता है जी. एंड देन ऑब्वियसली यू स्टडी what you have. I like to think about the emotional graph because what I'm attracted to any script and any character is what is the emotional core of this person. And I like playing girls who behave well under difficult circumstances. कि अच्छा ये लाइफ हो रही है, शिखा की ये लाइफ है, सब कुछ है, छोटा सा घर, छोटा सा पपी, लाइफ एवरीथिंग इज सेट, जॉब भी मिल चुका है, कट टू नाउ व्हाट डू यू डू? गोलू अगेन, लाइफ चल रही है, सब कुछ है, एंड देन कट टू समथिंग इवेंट दैट हैपेंस, नाउ व्हाट डू यू डू? कालकूट, पारुल is this haughty, she is very self-aware of how stunning, beautiful, intelligent she is. She is a topper. She is also very aware of her sexual desires and how attractive she is to other people. And then there is an acid attack on her.
Correct.
Then what happens? So ye na, because being an actor we get to live so many different lives and live so many different emotions of their journey. वो बहुत मजा आता है. So I'm always thinking that what do I fall in love with next?
Correct.
वही मजा है. And hey, 25 के लिए
there you go.
Some projects
yes.
that I'm super duper excited to do.
So are we. So we get more occasions to meet you, right?
Yes, absolutely.
With or without mask, of course.
Different kind of masks.
Shweta, being, I mean, someone who operated behind the camera for some time in your repertoire or in your skill set, so to speak, and then coming in front of, were there any learning lessons that you said, okay, once I happen to be in front of the camera, I'm not going to make these mistakes. It could be on camera or off camera skill set, perhaps indiscipline, perhaps, you know, not being punctual, etc., etc. What was that you inculcated in you so that you are not that person perhaps you cursed long time back?
Thank you for the questions because generally ऐसी बातें होती नहीं है. So I used to work with a magazine and वहाँ पे मुझे ये था कि अरे मॉडल से या एक्टर से मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऐसी थी कि हमेशा वो रेडी रहता है. मतलब जहाँ भी आप देखोगे तब तो सोशल मीडिया इतना पॉपुलर था नहीं. आई रियलाइज दैट एवरीबडी इज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, एवरीबडी इज सेंसिटिव, एवरीबडी हैज देयर ओन इनसिक्योरिटीज. सो रादर दैन showing them their fears and making them aware about things जो कमी है, rather than that it's always better personally and professionally to celebrate that what people have. हम हमेशा पता है हमें बहुत सारी टिप्पणियां होती है ना जो हम लोगों को दे सकते हैं, अरे यार ये ना ऐसे करना चाहिए था, अगर ये कर लोगे तो बहुत बेटर होगा. जो कर रहा है इंसान वो तो उसको बता दो यार ये जो किया ना ये बहुत सही है. टू गिव कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स हमें पता नहीं अलग हम कंजूस मक्खी चूस बन जाता है. पर जब बुराई करनी होती है, जब फीडबैक देना होता है, ओहो फिर तो मतलब टक 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 टक
फिर मैं सच्चा इंसान हूँ, मैं सच्चाई बयां कर रहा हूँ.
एग्जैक्टली, ऑनेस्टी. तो आई फील इट्स वेरी, एम्पैथी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड नो मैटर व्हाट पीपल आर डूइंग. अच्छा, अनदर थिंग, लोग जब इंडस्ट्री की बात करते हैं ना, I don't know if I'm possessive, but I'm definitely very protective about the industry because I have got a lot. I have met some amazing, wonderful, not just talented, but beautiful human beings. They are a part of the industry.
Correct.
Industry has given me a lot of respect. तो ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं तो लोगों को लगता है ना कि अच्छा श्वेता इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा है. I'm like, पर सोसाइटी में भी ऐसा है. आप जहाँ काम करते हो वहाँ भी ऐसा है. इंडस्ट्री कोई अलग नहीं है जहाँ रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस अलग हैं. इनफैक्ट एज अ गर्ल आई हैव फेल्ट वेरी पावरफुल बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री.
करेक्ट.
सो I think it's also, and you have to be the change that you want to see. तो अगर कुछ आपको तकलीफ है, अगर कुछ आपको कष्ट है, if there is anything that's annoying you or you think is not right, speak up. Please speak up, because every time you speak up, you are speaking for all these people who are going to come after you.
Correct.
There are a lot of young actors, and I have been blessed to have senior actors that have worked with, like Nawaz bhai or Richa, who
Pankaj sir.
Pankaj sir. But why I say Nawaz bhai and Richa is because Masaan and Haramkhor जब हुई थी तब तो कुछ भी except for क्या मस्त है life कुछ नहीं, and the ads of course. They never made me feel that I'm a newcomer, that they know more than me. या उन्होंने मुझे सिखाने की कभी कोई कोशिश नहीं की.
जी.
And उस वे में इतना सिखा दिया ना. So I feel the one learning that has been is be that example that you want to set. खुद कर लो पहले.
श्वेता, आपको लगता है therefore as you said that you want to protect the industry in whatever way you can because you're absolutely possessive about it. When I see certain comments on Facebook, on Instagram or some trolls, I feel that the industry becomes a soft target somewhere.
बिल्कुल.
There are certain expectations and aspirations that are not met, and then there is this glamorous side of the industry that people aspire to have but cannot have. So somewhere that envy and jealousy starts stumbling out through those comments. Your assessment?
See, there is glamour. एंड लोगों को वही लगता है ना कि वाह यार ये तो लाइफ बड़ी सही है कि आप मेकअप करा के परफ्यूम, अब किसी ने बोला ये कि ये करके परफ्यूम लगा के आप तो रेडी हो जाते हो. भाई इफ यू वांट टू बी एन एक्टर और एनीबॉडी इन दिस इंडस्ट्री एंड यू एवरीबॉडी ओवर हियर विल एग्री, इट इज टफ. And it is tough and it will be tough because you're following your dream. We are here because we want to do this. So we are lucky anyway. तो अगर इसमें मेहनत नहीं करेंगे तो फिर क्या? मेहनत तो करनी चाहिए भाई, बहुत मेहनत करो. And discipline and dedication से हम इतना सब कुछ सीख सकते हैं. So yes, the vanity and the glamour and the glitz and the parties, that's a very small part.
A tiny part of it.
Very tiny part. मतलब I to keep thinking that जो when I am busy and मुझे वक्त नहीं मिलता है, I often feel that how do Alia and Ranbir and Ranveer and how do they do this?
Correct.
Because वो time निकालते कहाँ से हैं? And I have lots of respect for Alia because I think she's just killing it. Just yesterday Cheetah and I were talking about it.
Yeah.
That she's a wonder woman.
Correct.
Like you know, because when I was sitting with my girlfriends, तो हम वो वर्कआउट का वीडियो देख रहे थे. That how is she doing it? And
Correct.
I think she's done something that no other Indian actor has done.
Yeah.
Like you know, like every department में छक्का मारा है.
Allow me to go there for a step further. Imagine the pressure that is mounted on someone like Shah Rukh Khan then. Oh God.
Absolutely. तो वही I think it's very important that आप किस चीज का प्रेशर ले रहे हो.
Correct.
क्योंकि अगर आप लेना चाहो ना वो तो
हजार
सब
चीजें
चाहते
हैं.
हैं. Exactly. But to be SRK or to be Taboo or all these people that we look up to, Coco, you have to स्वाद अनुसार आपको किस चीज का प्रेशर लेना है बिल्कुल लो, पर उस चीज का.
When I talk to you, I see glimpses of Pankaj Tripathi in you a lot. Both of you champion the cause of being organic, being subtle, being rooted. तो उनके साथ ये बातें कभी हुई हैं ऐसी कि भाई हम एक ही पेज पर है शायद, not just in terms of acting, you both are like fine actors.
Thank you.
Also being organic, driving these conversations, talking about it, because endorse करने के लिए 10,000 चीजें हैं.
Exactly.
And most of them are glamorous. This is non-glamorous. तो उस पर कभी ऐसी बात हुई है?
मुझे तो नॉन ग्लैमरस चीजें ज्यादा इजी लगती हैं.
हाँ.
बहुत मुश्किल है हर बार हेयर, मेकअप, हील्स, ज्वेलरी, एक्सेसरीज, कपड़े. ओ माय गॉड, आई एम समबडी हु लव्स कंफर्ट. आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेट आउट ऑफ माय स्लॉथ लेजी मोड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. बट आई लव इट. वो जो पूरी किडनैप लुक्स या यू नो वो प्रोस्थेटिक्स होते हैं. इनफैक्ट हाइड आउट जो गोलू है, जो शत्रुघ्न, उसको जो हाइड आउट है जहाँ गोलू बंधी हुई है, शत्रुघ्न ने रखा है, तो शायद ऑडियंस वो देखेगी भी नहीं. बट विद द प्रोस्थेटिक्स टीम, विद शिप्राज टीम, हमने मच्छर वच्छर के भी दिए थे क्योंकि कांटे ही होंगे ना, या कहीं इच विच होगा. सो दैट इज हाउ मच वी, आई थिंक देयर इज सो मच क्रिएटिविटी ओवर देयर, व्हिच इज व्हाई फॉर इवेंट्स आई लाइक टू डॉल अप एंड डेक अप एंड ड्रेस अप, because वो भी एक अलग मजा है. And also I'm a design student, design graduate.
Correct.
So I like to show that side of mine, the क्या मस्त है life. Through my personal life and through my professional life, I want the drama to be high, I want the stakes to be high because मजा आता है यार. बहुत मजा
Absolutely,
आता है.
absolutely.
But organic, natural is the way to go.
Correct.
I'm trying to do that as much as possible. सीनियर त्रिपाठी से बातें नहीं हुई क्योंकि हमारे सीन्स ही नहीं होते हैं साथ में. इसलिए अब एक प्रोजेक्ट करना पड़ेगा जहाँ पे सीनियर त्रिपाठी और जूनियर त्रिपाठी साथ में देखे जाएं.
जी. OTT
है in the
platform.
works, है in the works.
Of course. Manifestation. Yeah, universe listening. Going forward, how are you going to break the mold? When I ask this, again, the girl from the hinterland who speaks English well, her Hindi is like mashallah. तो उन सारी चीज़ों से हटकर कहीं ना कहीं अल्ट्रा मॉडर्न, अल्ट्रा ग्लैमरस, ओनली दैट ब्रैकेट और perhaps complete villainous, complete dark. What are you going to touch upon? What are the spectrums that you want to touch upon?
Comedy. Yes.
It's a tough business.
It's very
indeed is.
tough. Exactly.
Yeah.
वो तो मतलब अलग ही गेम चल रहा होता है. I remember I was shooting for Kanjoos Makhi Choos.
Yeah.
And I saw Kunal Khemu and Alka Amin and Piyush Mishra and I felt so lost because they were acing it and it was my day one and I was like ये कैसे होगा क्योंकि मैं तो मिर्जापुर की दुनिया से आई थी.
Gravitas.
And and I was like my god पर इतना मजा आया. It's addictive. Comedy
Yeah.
is addictive.
Yeah.
So and I truly enjoyed it and
Yeah.
आप दुख दर्द नहीं सोच रहे हो, आप ड्रामा नहीं सोच रहे हो, आप बस मजे कर रहे हो. सो आई कैन नॉट वेट टू डू कॉमेडी. एंड अनदर थिंग
You got
इज
anything in
लव
the pipeline?
स्टोरी.
Okay. Let's not reveal it as yet.
And love story that I don't have. I'm waiting. I'm
Yeah.
looking for a love story because I think the world needs love.
No, love romance तो है कहीं ना कहीं, but you want proper full-fledged.
Like that मसान का लाल गुब्बारे वाला
Yeah,
लव,
yeah,
वो जो
yeah.
देख के आप एकदम ऐसे पिलपिले हो जाओ,
जी.
वो वैसी लव स्टोरी.
Are you that person inside?
With Cheetah, I'm very silly. I'm so stupid,
Yeah.
but only and only with him.
How is Shweta in love? Is she submissive? Is she बोलते ना अपने आप को क्या डोरमैट बना
नहीं
देना?
नहीं
ऐसा वाला नहीं?
में किसी के लिए नहीं ना. मतलब
In a sweet way, of course.
नहीं,
no?
स्वीट वे में कोई डोमैट नहीं होता है. अगर बनना है तो आप किसी के घर की पेंटिंग बनो
Oh.
या कार्पेट बनो जो कि लगाया जा सकता है. डोमैट बिकॉज
No vulnerability whatsoever.
No, vulnerability and doormat are two very different things.
Yeah.
I think it's very important to be, empathy is important, vulnerability is important, and to be able to express that is very important. चीता and I, अगर कुछ भी हमें चीज तंग कर रही है, परेशान कर रही है या खुश कर रही है, we share everything. That is communication.
Correct.
Communication, respect and space. I think these three things are very important in any relationship.
Superb. And 2025, of course, working with new talent, new energies.
Yes.
And as you said, comedy is, of course, a tough business.
Yeah.
Is there any reference point that Shweta looks at in terms of genre slotting? So for drama, this actor that you look up to. For comedy, this is someone you would like to be like. Stuff like that.
Oh, नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है. Because I think there are different actors who inspire me for different things. So मतलब like La La Land would affect me in a very different way. Love the actors in that, of course. And there's Mayor of Easttown, which will affect me in a very different way. And then there's Kala Pani. टब्बर के बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना है, मुझे टब्बर देखना है. So I keep watching, I keep reading. मतलब everywhere there are just books.
Correct.
Because you get to again आपका imagination बड़ा हो जाता है.
हाँ.
क्योंकि in fact I'm just reading this book called it's my Christmas present, Girls Who Stray.
Girls Who Stray. Yeah.
When I started reading it, I was like, ये ऐसा क्यों कर रही है? कि why is she going back to somebody who's torturing her? Because I wouldn't do that. But then I was like, okay, this is not you. Do not think अब भी मत बनो. Because as actors, I think हम वो बन जाते हैं. In fact, like for example, when I was reading, I was shooting for मिर्जापुर season 3 और तब मैं पढ़ी थी Forest of Enchantments, जो कि सीता का point of view है. One of my favorite writers. I got that energy.
Right.
कि मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मैं सीता बन गई थी,
Yeah.
बट वो जिस तरह से जो रिस्पेक्ट कमांड करते हैं, वो जिस तरह से वो रानी आकी टाइप जो उनका है, वो मेरा ऑटोमेटिकली मेरा वो एक ऑरा बन गया था. तो मैं जो भी किताब पढ़ती हूँ ना, वो कहीं ना कहीं आई एंजॉय दैट. एंड दीज आर द वेज वी कीप लर्निंग.
Yeah.
क्योंकि अब बाहर जाके तो लाइफ उतनी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होगी, बिकॉज वहाँ गजगामनी की वजह से थोड़ा बाहर जाना मुश्किल हो गया है. बट this is the way where we can just wander and explore and keep gathering things and adding to our portfolio.
Subtly or otherwise, do you therefore feel that you attract the kind of content that you do? Accordingly, that book comes your way, or vice versa?
It happens.
Yeah?
It happens.
It does?
Absolutely. I believe that the universe talks to me.
हाँ.
भाई मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि दुनिया, मैं अपनी बात कर रही हूँ, तो इसमें तो कोई क्या क्या पुप्पू नहीं कर सकता. I believe the universe talks to me. I believe in that. I believe in energies. I had said that I want to be a mafia queen, and that is what has happened.
Yeah.
I have said that I want to play a lawyer's part. That is happening next year.
Yes.
I wanted to work with Tilottama. That is happening next year. So I feel that it's important, no matter how foolish or stupid you might sound, or you think यार ये जोर से नहीं बोलना चाहिए, लोगों को क्या लगेगा, अरे लोगों को तो वैसे ही लगता
कुछ ना कुछ लगेगा ही,
रहेगा.
हाँ.
तो उससे अच्छा
छोड़ दो
be
आप.
vocal, be
yourself.
foolish.
Be yourself.
Yes.
True.
Yes.
True. Shweta, what adjectives generally people associate with you? The reason why I ask this is because I want to talk specifically about physicality of it. People may compliment you as beautiful, petite. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but it means like little, small frame, and yet beautiful. I was having this conversation with Sharib Hasmi, and he was telling me for a very long time he had a complex about his stature, about his height. He thought that he could not get into acting, into the profession because of his small frame. Because all the actors that he would look up to, or he would be surrounded by, or would look on the big screen or television, he thought that he was not tall enough to be an actor. Did that kind of thought ever hit you, affect you, or were you always confident, self-assured?
Height has never bothered me except for when I'm at parties and when the people I'm with really tall people, including my husband, and the music is loud, तब सुनाई नहीं देता. तब लगता है कि क्या बात क्या कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Because अब मैं heels तो मैंने पहनने ही बंद कर दिए हैं. Except for that, बहुत there are perks. There are so many pros of being petite, of being short. Flight में, गाड़ी में, जहाँ पे सबके मतलब क्रैम्प हो रहे हैं, मैं तो गाड़ी में literally ऐसे पैर वैर खोल के बैठी होती हूँ. So limitation वो है जो आप बना देते हो. Definitely your childhood, what you hear, all that makes a difference. I think I was a bully, maybe a friendly bully. So that's why I have never. मुझे हाइट का, स्किन का, बाल का, ये सब कुछ नहीं, वो कभी नहीं लगा. I never thought anything can stop me because I look a certain way. Yes, if I don't work hard, if I don't deliver, नहीं होगा. But अब ये तो है ना, अब हाइट तो मैं लंबी नहीं कर सकती हूँ. वेट, फिटनेस जो आप चेंज कर सकते हो, प्लीज स्किन का ख्याल रखो. एंड नॉट बिकॉज कैमरे पे आप कैसे लगोगे, बट स्किन इज अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ कि आपके अंदर क्या क्या हो रहा है.
करेक्ट.
जो चीजें चेंज कर सकते हो उनको फॉर द बेटर करो. जो चीजें नहीं चेंज कर सकते हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाइट, क्या कर लोगे सोच के, हर जगह हील पहन के थोड़ी ना जाओगे.
Just a little while ago you said you would like to play Mafia Queen.
Yes.
So the feeling that character, feeling that energy, forget the frame, forget the adjectives that are associated, and yet using it as your own power, your own USP. How do you see that?
बाहुबली बल और बुद्धि दोनों से बन सकता
जी.
है और साथ में भी बन सकता है. तो अगर आपके पास बल है या आपके पास बुद्धि है, गोलू के पास बुद्धि है और इसलिए उसने अपनी हाइट के हिसाब से अपना बल भी स्ट्रॉन्ग किया. यू कैन बी द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ योर सेल्फ, नॉट अदर पीपल. जस्ट बी दैट.
My last question, of course. Shweta, what have you discovered about the space you work in? OTT space, be it films, entertainment space in general. What do you know for certain? What do you know for sure about Shweta, the person, the personality, and the space she operates in?
You have to keep trying. And no matter where you are in life, struggles will always be there and it's okay. अगर आपको लगेगा ये जब हो जाएगा ना तब मैं ये करूँगा, वो छोड़ दो. Because then you're putting everything for the future. आज अभी आप क्या कर सकते हो? Maybe for your dream, maybe for an event that you're planning, or if you want to start a relationship with somebody, whatever that relationship might be, whatever the nature of that relationship might be, take a step towards that. Keep taking those small steps. वो जब big step का मौका आएगा ना, वो अपने आप आ जाएगा. But वो big step के चक्कर में small step मत छोड़ो. That has been my biggest learning. That जैसे for example कहते हैं ना कि ये project मिल जाएगा ना तब मैं ये करूँगी. नहीं. क्योंकि कहाँ यहाँ that's one fabulous thing about this industry is कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. कभी भी हवा ही कहते हैं ना, हवा को क्या कहते हैं? रुख. Sorry, my bad. रुख बदल सकता है और you should just be ready for that.
Exactly. The calendar looks absolutely chock-a-block. We don't know as yet what the projects are, but the intensity with which she speaks, the energy with which she speaks, it is looking promising already. And I hope you get to explore and experience all the Navrasas, all the archetypal women that you were talking about, and more. Thank you so much for this lovely conversation.
That is the best wish I could get. That's a great one actually. That figuring out,
Yeah.
finding out all the archetypes, that all the powers, all the Shakti
Yeah.
that's already residing within us.
I hope you enjoy the conversation as much as we did while posing those questions and getting insights from you.
Absolutely, and I'm very excited for my 25 because आपकी expectations हैं और अगर आपकी expectations हैं तो हम delivery तो हमें आती है.
हो जाएगा तुरंत. थोड़ा
तुरंत
time लगेगा.
नहीं.
थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा क्योंकि
थोड़ा
अच्छी
time
चीजें के
लगेगा,
लिए
थोड़ा सा- exactly.
अच्छी
Fast
चीजें
food
बनने के
नहीं
लिए
है
fast food नहीं
ना.
है. वो endorse भी नहीं करना है, काम भी नहीं करना है उसमें. श्वेता for you. Thank you.
Thank you. Wish you a very, very, very Merry Christmas and a super healthy and magical 2025.